students, in last class we just just discussed about introduction for Buckingham Pi theorem. Now we will solve some of problems, particularly for university examination point of view. You will almost in every university question paper you will have one question from Buckingham Pi theorem. Either they will ask one question or both question may also come from Buckingham Pi theorem. So now let's see how to solve a Buckingham Pi theorem problem. Okay. For example, this question number 1, the resisting force of supersonic plane during flight can be considered as dependent upon the length of aircraft L, velocity v, air viscosity mu, air density rho, bulk modulus of air k. Express the functional relationship between variables and the resisting force. So already I know. So resisting force is a function of length of aircraft, velocity, viscosity, density, bulk modulus. இல்லைங்களா? சரி, இங்கே total number of variables எவ்வளோ இருக்குன்னா, I know total number of variables or in our point of view total parameters என்னன்னா R, L, V, mu, rho, K, 6 parameters. Number of fundamental dimensions என்னென்ன இருக்குது அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, if I am writing unit for dimension for R, L, V, mu, rho, K, இதில் ஏதாவது ஒன்றில் M வந்தாலும், ஏதாவது ஒன்றில் L வந்தாலும், ஏதாவது ஒன்றில் T வந்தாலும் ஓகே. If you write like that, for example, if you take R, that is nothing but force with dimension I know M, L, T power minus 2. So we having all 3 M, L, T. So number of fundamental dimensions is equal to 3. Number of dimensionless parameter is equal to total number of parameters minus number of fundamental basic parameters, that is equal to 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So we will have 3 pi times. Okay. So now I have to choose a repeating variable. Repeating variable we having formulation. First repeating variable should be a geometric property. Second repeating variable should be the flow property. Sorry, not flow property. Third repeating variable should be a fluid property. Then fourth one is non-repeating parameter. Like that I wrote 3 pi parameters. Then for each pi terms I write dimensions on both sides and equating I will get 3 pi terms. Same problem I just explained in paper. Now we will see in that you will understand this problem much better in that case. If you see same problem, I hope you all get a clear idea from this sheets. If you see, resisting force is a function of L, V, mu, rho, K. So total number of variables or total parameters 6. What are the 6 parameters? R, L, V, mu, rho, K. Okay, dimensions. For R, I know what is dimension. R is nothing but a force. So M, L, T power minus 2. L is nothing but length. So dimension is L. Velocity, dimension is L, T power minus 1. Then mu, M, L power minus 1, T power minus 1. Density, M, L power minus 3. Then bulk modulus, M, L power minus 1, T power minus 2. So if I see these are these 6 variable parameters, at least any one contains M, L, T. All M, L, T are involved in any one of these 6 parameters. So number of basic parameter involved is 3. So number of pi terms is equal to number of variable total parameter 6 minus number of basic parameters involved 3. So you will have 3 pi terms. So I know general formula for writing pi. Pi is equal to geometric parameter power A, kinematic parameter power B, flow property or parameter power C, non-repeating property. Okay, non-repeating property or parameter. So I am taking out of this, L is a geometric parameter, kinematic parameter is V. For a fluid parameter I can take either mu or density rho. In this case I am taking as density rho. If instead of rho, if I am using mu also, I will get the same pi times only, there will be no difference. So rho. Then draw non-repeating parameter. Then we having three non-repeating parameters. If I take L, V, rho மூணுமே நான் ரிப்பீட்டிங் பேராமீட்டர் எடுத்துட்டா மிச்சம் மூணு தான் யாருன்னா நான் ரிப்பீட்டிங் பேராமீட்டர். அது ஒவ்வொன்றையும் ஒவ்வொரு பை டைமில் போடுறோம். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபஸ்ட் பை டைமில் ஆர் போடுறோம், செகண்ட் பை டைமில் மியூ போடுறோம், தேர்ட் பை டைமில் கே போடுறோம். அவ்வளோதான். தென் ஃபஸ்ட்டு பை டைமை மட்டும் எடுத்துகிட்டு நீங்கள் பாருங்கள். இஃப் யூ சி ஃபஸ்ட்டு பை டைம், pi 1 is equal to L power A1, V power B1, rho power C1 R. I know pi is non-dimensional non-dimensional number. So M0, L0, T0 is a unit for pi. Then for L power A, where velocity L t power minus 1 whole power B1. For density M L power minus 3 C1. For force R M L t power minus 2. Then I am simplifying, I am just regrouping M times, L times, T times separately. Then if I if after separation I am just equating M's power, L's power and T's power. If I equate, I will get three equations. Out of these three equations, for example 0 is equal to C1 plus 1, 0 is equal to A1 plus B1 minus 3C1 plus 1, 0 is equal to minus B1 minus 2. So if I solve, I will get a A1, B1, C1. I am resubstituting A1, B1, C1 in pi 1 term. Then I will get a first pi parameter. Then we will see next pi parameter. If you take second pi term, pi 2 is equal to L A2, V B2, rho C2 mu. Here also I am repeating the same procedure. I am regrouping, I am writing dimensions for all, and I am regrouping into M powers, L powers, T powers, and equating powers, and I am getting three equations. I am solving that. I will get a pi 2 term. Like that only for third pi term also I am repeating the same thing. Pi 3 is equal to L A power A3, V power B3, rho power C3, K. I am writing dimensions for both right hand side and left hand side. Then I am grouping in terms of powers, and I am equating the powers. Then I will get a pi 3 term. If I after receiving all three pi terms, I am writing this as answer. In question they are asked, just try to write force in terms of remaining parameters. So force இன்வால்வ் ஆகிருக்கிற பேராமீட்டர் மட்டும் ஒரு சைடு வச்சுக்கிட்டு மித்த பேராமீட்டரில் பை அப்படின்னு போட்டு மிச்சம் ரெண்டு பேராமீட்டர் ப்ராக்கெட்டில் எழுதிக்கணும். தென் அதில் ஃபோர்ஸை மட்டும் இன்சைடு வச்சுட்டு மிச்சத்தை இன்சைடு கொண்டு போய் எழுதிங்கன்னா வில் கெட் ஆன்சர். ஸோ இஃப் யூ நோ ஹவு டு சால்வ் திஸ், யூ வில் கெட் full marks. Out of in fluid mechanics subject, I think this is a very simple unit. You can score good marks by using this unit if you know and understand properly about dimensional analysis, particularly Buckingham pi theorem. Okay. Like that, if we see all problems, every problems will be like that only. You can see any problem, just go through the slides. For example, this is a just take this as practice problem. If you know, just see the problem. Out of this you will get some idea about Buckingham pi theorem. You will get a final solution like this. For next problem, this is a problem question. I hope you can solve this also. This problem involves 4 pi terms. You can get a proper idea. Books will have this problem. These are the pi terms. you will get a 4 pi times, and after receiving solving for 4 pi times, you have to write in terms of answer, you will get answer. Okay, like that you're having so many problems. In This is a just introduction about Buckingham pi theorem, and next topic we will see about model analysis. In those areas we may expect some theory questions for examinations. Okay, thank you, and try to solve previous year university question papers, and if you having try to solve problems from Bansal and Rajput books. Both are most of university problems are asked from that book only. Okay, thank you. We will meet in next session.